BJP chief Nitin Gadkari is mounting troubles as he faces dissent within the party. Now Mahesh Jethmalani, a senior party leader, has quit the national executive, saying it's morally and intellectually difficult for him to continue with Nitin Gadkari as party president. Jethmalani said that Gadkari had failed to defend allegations of fake companies and irregularities in land deals, coming at a time when it seems that the RSS and senior BJP leaders have begun to distance themselves from the controversy, adding to Gadkari's growing isolation.
The two core issues were the pending controversy, to which I personally found there was no satisfactory explanation, compounded by today's statement, which although some explanation has been given, I again found not satisfactory. So since my personal conscience is not satisfied on both these issues, I have chosen to resign from the National Executive Committee. I will continue to serve the party.
विवेकानंद जी का आईक्यू और दाऊद इब्राहिम का आईक्यू अगर साइंटिफिक भाषा में बोलो तो दोनों समान था, पर एक व्यक्ति ने गुनहगारी के क्षेत्र में अपनी पूरी बुद्धिमत्ता को यूज किया तो वहां के शहंशाह बने, और दूसरे व्यक्ति ने समाज के लिए और देश के लिए एक फिलॉसफी के लिए अपने जीवन को दिया, वो विवेकानंद बने।
स्वामी विवेकानंद जी की और दाऊद इब्राहिम की मैंने कोई तुलना या कंपैरिजन नहीं किया है। मैंने यही कहा है कि कोई अगर बुद्धि का सही उपयोग करता है तो विवेकानंद होता है, और बुद्धि का सही उपयोग नहीं करता है, अगर गलत उपयोग करता है तो इविल हो जाता है। इसके में कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है।
The national president has himself ordered for inquiry and it's been investigated. Individuals coming forth and making statements in public would possibly damage the party much. It would have been better if he would have refrained and individually written that letter to the national president. It would have been very valid. But giving it to the press and then coming forth and then making a demand, I think it's more of a larger public posturing.
Information and Broadcasting Minister Manish Tiwari today slammed the BJP President Nitin Gadkari for his controversial remarks about Swami Vivekanand. The minister asked the main opposition party to apologize to the people of India.
How can anyone compare one of India's foremost thought leaders with a criminal or with somebody who has clearly a very, very dubious and a notorious criminal record? It clearly demonstrates both the level of thinking and the mentality of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mere clarification would not do. The Bharatiya Janata Party should apologize to the people of this country, and specifically to the thinking people and the thought leaders of India.
नितिन गडकरी जी के विचारों पर, और नितिन गडकरी जी क्योंकि संघ के नुमाइंदे हैं तो स्वाभाविक है कि संघ की विचारधारा ही उनमें कूट कूट के भरी है। अगर संघ की विचारधारा वही है जो नितिन गडकरी जी ने बयान दिया है तो फिर संघ को इसके बारे में अपना स्पष्टीकरण देना चाहिए। अगर स्वामी विवेकानंद जी की तुलना नितिन गडकरी जी दाऊद इब्राहिम से कर रहे हैं तो इन्होंने मध्य प्रदेश में भी और गुजरात में भी स्वामी विवेकानंद के नाम से यात्राएं निकाली हैं। अब वो यात्राएं स्वामी विवेकानंद की समाप्त हो गई तो अब भाजपा को दाऊद इब्राहिम की यात्रा निकालना चाहिए।
RSS refusing to be drawn into the row, saying Gadkari has clarified, won't add to it.
Gadkari ji himself said that he was quoted out of context. He never meant to compare those two people. The controversy should end. So Gadkari's comment, Gadkari himself said that he was quoted out of context, he was misquoted. I won't answer any subjective questions, what he should or should not do. I will only say that he has already clarified that he was quoted out of context. He never meant to compare those two persons. I think that the whole controversy should be put to an end.
Controversy just does not leave BJP National President Nitin Gadkari, with the RSS now distancing itself over all the allegations that have been levelled against Gadkari's Purti group. The BJP National President once again finds himself in yet another row after comparing the IQ of Swami Vivekanand with underworld don Dawood Ibrahim. Even though Nitin Gadkari has issued a clarification, this couldn't have come at a worse time for the party president of the principal opposition party.